Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome or welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making deep fried Oreos. Now if you're like me, you love all of those carnival food and snacks. Well, with this recipe, you're gonna be making deep fried Oreos right at home. I promise you, this flavor will satisfy any sweet tooth craving you might have. So, let's get started. All right, so let's dive right into this recipe. We're gonna first heat some vegetable oil in a deep fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. And while that's heating up in a large bowl, we want to add in half a cup's worth of whole milk, as well as half a cup's worth of heavy cream, followed by 1 large egg and 2 teaspoons worth of vegetable oil. Mixing those together until they're well combined. We're also going to add 1 cup's worth of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of granulated white sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mixing all those ingredients together until they're well combined and no lumps remain. This creates the batter for our deep fried Oreos. Now, working quickly and carefully, you want to dip the Oreos into the batter. And in total, we'll need about 14 Oreo cookies for this recipe. You just want to make sure that the batter fully coats the Oreo. I like scooping them up with a spoon and then placing them into a strainer. That allows it to easily be transferred into the fryer without losing any batter from the Oreo. You want to fry these for about 30 seconds or until they are golden brown on all sides. At this stage, you want to remove them from the oil and then transfer them to a paper towel lined plate to drain away any excess oil. You'll want to repeat this process with all the remaining batter and your Oreos. And with those final steps done, these can be served warm and enjoyed. Congrats, you've made deep fried Oreos right at home. As you can see, they're much easier than you think to make. I hope you give this a try. For a sweeter touch, you can also add sifted powdered sugar to the tops of each deep fried Oreo. But when you do try this at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 4, Enhancing Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make deep fried Oreos, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe, and tell a friend to subscribe. And feel free to share this video with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I show you how to make an amazing dessert, my homemade flan. Well, thank you all again so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. You can always catch more recipes on my page now. YouTube thinks you'll like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.